Good morning. You're looking at a transmission out of a Chevrolet truck, actually a big old Chevrolet truck, and I want to just lay out to you what a transmission actually does. What it does, it transmits the power from your engine to the rear wheels. And I'm going to swing over here. What you're seeing is an old transmission that's come out of the vehicle, and right next to it is the drive shaft. So this drive shaft, this long shaft, once again, this is a big truck, is actually going to go into this tail shaft here, and when this transmission turns, it's going to turn this big old long shaft, which turns your rear wheels. And I'm going to pop up underneath this truck here real quick for you and just show you. When I get up in here, you see that big ring right there? That's what's called a flywheel, and the transmission will actually bolt to that flywheel. The flywheel is connected to the engine, so when your engine turns, it turns the transmission, and the transmission then transmits your power all the way back to the rear differential, and this is how you get your power from the front to the rear. So this is a rear-wheel drive transmission. Just to know, there are front-wheel drive ones, which is a completely different configuration, but in this truck's case, it's actually, this transmission is slipping internally, and it's time to get the new one put in.